Assalamualaikum my dear friends, welcome back again my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you people are pretty fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always be keep smile. So here I'm just back again, another outtrending, another very beautiful and stylish new attractive girls nail art ideas in 2023. So dear viewers, today we will see in this videos modern different nail shapes and different nails art ideas, long and short nails, and new all different colors nail art ideas. So dear viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. So do you have new ideas of new all modern nails decoration designs, nails art ideas? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. In the comment section to tell me how's my videos. So I always try to bring modern nail art ideas, different designs. So if you like my videos, so viewers please download it my videos, and you like this one nail art, so take a screenshot and save your mobile. You will see new all modern nails art with finger rings designs, modern nails art decorations, nails art designs. So dear viewers, I always try to bring new all stylish, unique ideas. So dear viewers, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring modern nails art ideas. So lovely viewers, I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you. Watch new stylish nails art ideas in 2023. So there is a huge variety of designs in this video. So dear viewers, I will meet you in next videos. So take care friends. Allah Hafiz.